You might be familiar with creating vision boards made out of magazine cutouts and Pinterest photos glued on cardboard or foam board. But there is a more convenient way to hold onto your visions throughout the day that is less bulky and more practical, and that is by creating a digital vision board. The easiest way and best way to do this is by creating a vision board on Canva. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create a vision board on Canva for both your desktop and your mobile phone, along with explaining what is a vision board and tips on what to include on your vision board. So keep on watching. Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, welcome. I'm Sarah, money mindset mentor and wellness junkie, whose mission it is to help you rewrite your beliefs about money and abundance so that you can live a full and thriving life based on your idea of what a thriving life means to you. I'm also the host of the For the Love of Thriving podcast, which is linked in the description below if you wish to listen to more episodes around money mindset and self-mastery and wellness. It would really help the growth of this channel by giving it some love with a thumbs up and subscribe for your weekly dose of Thrive. But for now, let's get straight into this video. What is a vision board? To put it simply, a vision board is a visual representation of your visions and goals that you wish to achieve. It can include words or pictures that inspire you to manifest your dream life. And the importance of a vision board is that it helps you plug into your desires frequently so that you can continue to become an energetic match for what you desire, hence making your vision manifest into reality. One of the biggest mistakes people make when it comes to vision boards is that they create the board and expect everything to manifest like magic, or they make the board and forget about it halfway through the year. Now, while creating a vision board isn't magic and won't miraculously bring your dreams to life, having a vision board acts as an anchor to remind you what the ultimate vision is for your life. It's there to help you tap into the desire and the frequency as often as possible. Here are some quick tips on making your vision board. Explore your values and what is most important to you in life. If your goals aren't aligned with your personal values, achieving these goals probably won't provide a great satisfaction and the well-being that you might be seeking. So ask yourself, what actually matters to you? What gives you meaning? What kind of man or woman do you want to become? How do you wish to spend your time? When creating your board, be sure to keep these values front of mind. Another thing to consider is what motivates you. If you are pursuing goals that motivate you, you'll have a much easier time reaching them. So be sure to ask yourself, what and why do you want what you want? Is it to fulfill a long childhood dream, or to help others, or to give back to your parents? Get specific on this and clear. Try to understand why the goal you've created is so important to you and revise it if it doesn't have much meaning anymore. Set priorities. Sometimes the vision boards that you create can be a collection of all the things that we aspire to have, whether it's being wealthy, successful, beautiful, etc. And if you truly want to achieve these, you will need to be more realistic, such as what can you reasonably accomplish in a year or 5 years? And this way you can prioritize the visions by making them more prominent on your board. Vision board ideas. Before we get into the creation of your vision board, here are some categories that you can potentially explore and include in your vision board. These include things related to your career, money, love, health, travel goals, social goals, etc. Now let's get to the creation process. For this section of the video, I'm going to share my screen so you can follow along. Step 1 is to gather all of the photos that you wish to include in your board. And you can do this by searching the web or using platforms such as Pinterest to do this. I'll be using Pinterest. Step 2 is to create a folder to store your images. Now for this step, you'll want to create a folder on your desktop or Dropbox and save out your top images into that folder. If your photos haven't been saved yet on your computer because maybe you're using Pinterest, you could download the images one by one and put them into this folder. Step 3 is to create your design. So for this design, I'm going to show you how to make the design for your phone. So you'll want to select a template for story or phone. And you can do this by typing Instagram story or iOS home screen in the search. Step 4 is to import your images, and you can do this by simply dragging all the photos into the upload section. And if you wish to be more organized, you can create a folder for these images as well, simply by checking all the photos that you wish to put in the folder, click the folder at the bottom and create a folder name. Step 5 is to create your grid. And this is the easiest way to keep all your photos looking nice without accidentally bumping any of your other pictures out of place. To do this and to create the grid, simply go to Elements, Grid, and play around with a grid layout until you're happy with the way that it looks. I love this one with the 10 windows, and I use this one on my own personal vision board as well, but you can use whichever one feels good to you. Step 6 is to create your vision. Now you get to upload and arrange your photos to your liking, and because it's digital, it makes it so much easier to maneuver between the grids and the outlines. Step 7 is to export your board, and once you have finalized how you want your vision board to look like, simply download the PNG or JPEG from Canva. Step 8 is to airdrop or send the image to your phone. If you have an Apple phone, you'll be able to easily airdrop your vision board this way. And if you can't do it this way, you can simply send it to yourself via email or another preferred method. Step 9 is to make your board your home screen. Now to change your home screen, you simply go to Settings, Wallpaper, select your photo and press OK. And that's basically it. You've completed your vision board on Canva. You can follow the exact same process for your desktop just by selecting a different canvas. Now for desktop, you'd want to use a US letter size canvas or whatever paper size for your country. In Australia, for example, it's A4. Also remember to give yourself permission to revise and tweak your board throughout the year if you choose to do so, as visions and goals do change, and sometimes the further you explore your values and deeper desires, they can spark even better visions. There's no right or wrong way to do this. You can do it whatever way feels good to you. I really hope you enjoyed this slightly differently formatted video, and that if it helped you visually see how you can create your vision in a digital way over the classic paper, glue and scissors way. If you do, however, want to make a physical board, I also have a blog post with a breakdown of all the items that you need as well as some additional tips, and I'll leave that in the description below for you. For more resources about money mindset and manifestation, I do have multiple blog posts that you can read on my website. And if you want to take it further with me and want to raise your vibrational frequency, particularly around money, you can start working on your resistances and money blocks by joining Manifest Money on Demand, which is linked in the description below as well. I'd absolutely love to have you. If you found this video insightful, useful, or inspirational, do let me know in the comments. I would love to hear from you. And when you subscribe to my channel, I'll be adding more videos based on tools and techniques on reprogramming your subconscious mind, money mindset, and money blocks, and so much more. So definitely subscribe if you don't want to miss out on that. And as a bonus, be sure to download my Intune Rituals workbook so that you can start tapping into living the highest version of your life. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, keep on thriving and take care of yourself.